What is the Form EOIR-29 appeal process for U.S. immigration? Imagine facing a decision that could change your future in the United States. When that happens, knowing how to challenge it can be a lifeline. Today, we're breaking down the process of appealing certain immigration decisions using the Form EOIR-29. This form is a key part of the immigration appeal system, especially for family-based cases. If a U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services officer denies, revokes, or revalidates a visa petition, the petitioner has a chance to appeal. The appeal is not filed with the immigration court but directly with the Department of Homeland Security office that made the original decision. The first step is to check the decision letter carefully. It will tell you the deadline to file the appeal, which is usually 30 days if the decision was handed to you in person. If it was mailed, the 30 days start from the date on the envelope. For some revocations, the deadline might be as short as 15 days, so acting quickly is important. To file the appeal, you fill out the Form EOIR-29, which asks for details about the original petition and the decision you are challenging. The form must be signed by the petitioner, typically the U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident who filed the original petition. Once completed, the form is sent to the DHS office that issued the denial or revocation, following the instructions on the notice. You also need to pay a fee, which is set by the Department of Homeland Security. The fee can vary, but it is usually around $100. After the appeal is submitted, the case is reviewed by the Board of Immigration Appeals, which is part of the Department of Justice. They will decide whether to uphold the original decision, reverse it, or send it back for further review. The process can take several months, so patience is key. If the appeal is denied, you might consider filing a new petition or seeking review in federal court. For Black immigrants and their families, this process can be stressful but also a chance to fight for their right to stay together. Many community members find strength in sharing their stories and supporting each other through these legal steps. Understanding the appeal process is empowering. It gives you a way to challenge decisions that might seem unfair or incorrect. Remember, the Form EOIR-29 is your tool to stand up for your family and your future in the United States. Staying organized, meeting deadlines, and seeking legal help can make a big difference in navigating this part of the immigration system. Every step taken can bring you closer to a positive outcome, and that hope can be a powerful motivator.